check this out. I just got this new McLaren. Welcome to my garage. You know what I like more than my garage? I'm gonna steal this bad boy. No, you won't. I'm scared.
Oh shoot.
What's going on, everybody? We're at the Tech Bud's house. We have the McLaren. We have the cheap Maserati. We have the 335i. We have the Evo CTSV. It's fast, kinda. I gotta say that because he's right behind us. Look, he's right behind us. We have the other GTR. What did he pay for this?
A 63.
He paid 63. 2017?
16, I think.
2016.
Yeah.
That's a good deal, right, for these?
Yep.
Look at all these cars. I'm gonna break it down again. We have the McLaren. Turn it around. Beautiful car. Turd. Just kidding. 335i. Ghibli. Gizmo. Maserati Ghibli. Decent car. We have the Evo. Turd. We have the CTSV. Cool. Turd. We have the Nissan GTR that he paid da-da-da. And it's a steal. We have the red one. This is my favorite. Seriously. This is serious note. Serious note. I love this car. They don't like it because it's loud. I like quiet. I'm like more of like a family. Like my kids in the back seat, wife's in the passenger. This is a complete lie. I like the loud one. Come look at it. So we have the black interior with the red accents. I don't even know what that means because I flip lower end cars. This is on my scale, but hey, here's the key to it.
He leaves the key in there?
Action!
Welcome to today's lesson in flipping wheel. What is it with just...
Alright.
Today's top stocks are gonna be...
Psych.
So we're gonna be talking about all the deals, right?
Yeah.
Basically, what we're gonna talk about today is how we're able to see these cars and get to play around in these cars, have a lot of fun.
A lot of fun.
We really take the investment super seriously, and we plan out our entry points and our exit points and know what we're doing on each one of the cars. Prime example is what Weston just did.
What'd I do?
Prime example is what Justin did today on the CTSV. This is something you should definitely do just on the cars that you own personally. If you're gonna plan on owning it for a couple of years, I just made a video on my channel about the cars that don't lose their value and how I messed up whenever I bought a brand new car and I could have like done better like planning in the investing part.
Yeah.
And could have like, now my car's worth I think like $6,000. I could have bought a different car with the same cash and my car would be like worth 20 if I would have done the right investing beforehand.
Yeah, well, I just buy beaters.
We can't win them all. I'm sorry, you have a car right now?
Yeah.
Oh, I didn't think you had a car.
Don't give me, we're live, we're filming. This is getting cut.
I'm gonna teach you how to buy cars.
Just have a vehicle. And I'll give you a story on it. I bought that truck. It's a 2010 GMC Sierra. I do have a truck. I drive it. I am the owner of that bad boy. It's not cool anymore, but I drive it.
Yeah.
I bought it when
you can't say that. You don't drive it.
I do drive it. I bought it when I was in high school.
Oh, okay.
When I graduated.
Have driven it.
And I got a deal on it. I made sure it was a good deal.
Yeah.
I had a car. Actually, this is more serious. Can we get serious?
Okay.
I had a Ford Mustang.
Okay.
And like literally the whole time I had it, I was freaking out about how fast it was depreciating.
Oh, really?
Like dead
that
serious.
honestly scared.
No, and I was
that
like, my parents were like, you like, don't trade this in. You just got it. And I was like, you don't realize like it doesn't matter like if I hold it now. Like it's going down so fast. The best time to trade it in or get rid of it or sell it outright is right now.
It's a big investment. Like people don't think about that.
No.
But if you had, okay, let's say $30,000. That's probably like the average of new car. But if you had $30,000 in a stock and you could like watch it every day, which you probably would, maybe like every other day or something,
yeah.
You'd update on it. If you saw that thing like tanking, like
I saw it. I saw it with like, you don't see it,
yeah,
but you see it.
People don't think
like,
about that.
Yeah, because
you know?
I was in a state that there was no demand for it. The new body style came out,
yeah,
and I started like I remember typing it up, and I go, wow, like $6,000 less than what it was worth like 6 months ago. I go, this thing's got to go, dude.
That's me with the Escape. I was like, man, I still owe more money. Like
that's when I started learning though. Like after that point, I was like, I knew what I was like doing and I knew what I kind of was getting into, but that's when I took everything serious. I was like, I will not lose money on any car that I drive.
Exactly.
Like that was my goal.
Yeah. Break
Break even at least. So it's you're driving it for free. Like and then people will say like, if do you agree with this? You have to insure everything, like that costs you money. Or like you have to insure it, so it costs you money. But you have to insure anything.
Yeah, I mean everybody.
Gas, like you have to
that's
put
just
gas
the cost
in anything.
That you just have, like,
yeah. So it's on the physical object itself, or the vehicle itself.
Yeah. I'm gonna
that was
own a
my
car
passion.
anyway, so yeah. That's what got me into it in the beginning. Is that I really thought about that as kind of like, you know, dang, this is a big investment. I should really do my shopping and like, plan out the investment first. And that's kind of how I started with the whole buying and reselling cars.
Yeah.
Then, like you said, I didn't do it at first to make money. I did it first just because I didn't want to lose all my savings that I had, you know?
Right.
And then after I got really good at like shopping and planning out the entry points and exit points of the vehicles, that's when I started realizing, wow, like people are leaving a lot of money on the table. So that's what we do every day. We're super passionate about it in our private group. We have members. There's a lot of actually girls that do it. Jolie, Emily.
Dude.
Girls
Michelle,
love doing that.
Michelle and Emily. I went live. Rick, you weren't in there, but I went live with Emily and Michelle, and she literally just started. She actually was stock trading, and she bought a Mac, like a
Mac, iMac.
iMac.
Yeah.
And she's like, yeah, I bought it. I was really big into trading, doing well, and then I kind of stopped doing it. Sold the iMac, and then she's like, I like doubled my money on it. And she was like, that's when I knew, like, you know, it's kind of a similar process.
Yeah.
And she said you got hooked on it. I had like an hour conversation with her.
Nice.
Really cool
That's
shit.
good. And then Jolie made like $5,000 in 2 months.
Jolie?
Yeah.
Did you see
she
the
kills
flip?
it. And she just bought one yesterday too. She's
Was that yesterday?
Yesterday. Today is Weston's birthday.
23?
We're gonna have a sale for our private group. $50 off. Use the promo code Weston. You can get $50 off. We'd love to work with you. We work with our team every single day. Thanks for watching this video, guys, and we will see you next time.
Yeah.
Happy birthday, Weston.
I think we should do another exit.